Hello, today I'm going to discuss some of the multiple choice questions in biology. These questions are meant for NDA. The students who are preparing for NDA exam, this is helpful for them. Let's start. First question is here. Which of the following is present both prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells? We know that prokaryotes are simple cells and eukaryotes are complex cell and more advanced. Prokaryotes prokaryotes don't have any membrane bound organelles, while eukaryotes have membrane bound organelles. Some of the organelles present in both prokaryote and eukaryote. We have to find out which organelles among the four organelles present in both prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cells. Option A is mitochondria, option B ribosome, option C Golgi apparatus, option D endoplasmic reticulum. Correct answer is ribosome. Okay, ribosome is protein factory and present both prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. Here in the image you can see this is ribosome which is present in prokaryotic cell. This is a bacterial cell and eukaryotic cell. This is an animal cell. Okay, ribosome is the common component present in both prokaryote and eukaryote. Second question here. The fluid mosaic model of plasma membrane has proposed. It is a straight question. You just have to remember it. Who discovered or named proposed fluid mosaic model of plasma membrane? The right answer is Singer and Nicholson. Third question is, which organelle is known as suicide bag of cell? Right answer is, you can answer from this image, lysosome. Okay, lysosome contains hydrolytic enzyme which is responsible for digesting protein, carbohydrates, fats, DNA and RNA. That's why it is called a suicidal bag and garbage factory of the cell. So right answer is option B, lysosome. Question number 5. Question number 5 is, which cell organelle is responsible for ATP production? Okay, and that cell organelle is also called as powerhouse of the cell. So you can guess the answer, that is mitochondria. Okay, here you can see from the image ATP synthase enzyme is present in the inner wall of the mitochondria, which is helpful for synthesizing the ATP. Okay, and ATP is called as energy currency. Number 5. Which structure controls entry and exit of substances in the cell? That is plasma membrane. Because it is a selective permeable membrane, it determines which element has to enter and exit the cell. Number 6. Which of the following is absent in the animal cell? We have to find out which cell organelle is absent in animal cells. Plasma membrane is present, nucleus is present, cell wall, mitochondria. So cell wall is absent in animal cell. Cell wall is present fungi, bacteria and plant cell. Okay. Number 7 question is, the site of protein synthesis in the cell. Okay. We can say which cell organelle is called as protein factory? Golgi apparatus, ribosome, lysosome, peroxisome. Correct answer is ribosome. From the image you can see this is mRNA which carry genetic information from nucleus to cytoplasm and helps in decoding the amino acid triplet codon. Okay, here these are amino acid which are aggregate like a beads in the string, and forms the protein chain. Okay, that's why ribosome is the site for protein synthesis. Option B is the correct answer for question number 7. Question number 8 is asking, which organelle modifies, packages and transports protein? That is Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus is meant for modification, packaging and transportation of proteins, which comes from endoplasmic reticulum. Number 9 question is, which part of the cell contains genetic material? It's a very easy question. Option A is cytoplasm, B is nucleus, C is ribosome and D is vacuole. So correct option is nucleus. Nucleus contains DNA, which is the genetic material. Okay, so genetic material is present in the nucleus. Question number 10. Which organelle is involved in detoxification of drugs and poisons? Here we have 4 options, that is ACR, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, RER, rough endoplasmic reticulum, option C ribosome, option D Golgi apparatus. Our right answer is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. It is meant for detoxification of drugs and poison, and here fatty acid synthesis occurs. Okay, this is the 10th question I have discussed here. Thank you. Bye.